So ShipStation helps with complex shipping in a couple of different ways. One is the idea of order filters, and the other is the idea of automation or actions to be taken on those filters. Order filters are basically just order segmentation. So how is this one particular order different from another? It could be SKU, it could be the order total, it could be geolocation. The idea is that ShipStation can put those in different buckets or different segmentation options, and then take actions like picking a carrier that is relevant to a particular geo, or picking an order on hold if it has a high fraud score, for example. We've created this engine that allows our merchants to decide how they want to treat those orders and fulfill them in a timely manner.